Hi friends, so Anu was asking me about my skincare. I really wonder if I have a good skin or not. This is just an idea to let you know what all I use in day-to-day routine. So first is my cleanser. I love tea tree one from Body Shop. I have combination to oily skin. It really helps me with any pimple or whatsoever. But right now I'm using Kiehl's, which is equally good, but it is not going to last me forever. So tea tree is always there for me, and it's really affordable. Not affordable if you keep it in that category. Otherwise, the very best affordable brand is Himalaya. I swear by this one. I try to make it a point to clean my face once in a day with this one. And right now I have this Herbalism from Lush. I use it and I think the expiry date is for 6 months, so I'm not in a hurry to finish this off. Otherwise I do have Karma cleanser, but I'm not using it quite often. The best one I could tell you for me, which I rely upon, is Body Shop and Himalaya. So these are my cleansers for day to day. Otherwise Lush is always there. It's high-end brand, of course it is. And after cleansing, toning is of course a must. I use my Clinique Step 3 number 2. This is the small, the bigger bottle. I love this one as my toner, and it's again on higher end side. So I have one tea tree Fab India wala toner. It's good. Actually lying there, I'm sorry, I just forgot. So Clinique toner, it's alcohol based. The best non-alcohol is tea tree one from the Fab India. It's really nice. I do have so many toners. I do use toners these days. Otherwise earlier I didn't know what toner is all about. But now I do make it a point to use toner every day. So after toning, like cleansing, toning, moisturizing, oh yeah, in between sometimes I do use the micro delivery exfoliating wash from Philosophy. Not much, but yeah, I do use. It's a bit grainy consistency. Oh, it's nice. It's good. Philosophy. Good, always good. Oh, for my face pack, I love Queen Helen's, and then I have this crash course in skincare from Lush. Queen Helen affordable crash course is on higher side, and otherwise Lotus are good. I do have Lotus face pack, the marine black clay one. It's really nice. And then for my cleaning my makeup, I do use Fab India lavender cleansing milk. It's nice for face. On eyes, removing my eye makeup, I do use Lancome Bifacial. It's the best eye makeup remover. Really nice. If you are doing your eye makeup, just buy that one. There's nothing best than the Bifacial from Lancome. And then moisturizer, I have combination skin, so I do use moisturizer. I like the one from Aroma Magic Hydra Gel. I have named it Neha's Hydra Gel because my friend Neha suggested. Posted a review on that. I really like that one. It has gel consistency. Sorry again, it's not here. So Neha's Hydra Gel or Blossom Gel Hydra Gel. It's really nice moisturizer, gel based. But otherwise I use tinted moisturizer. They are the best. I don't use foundations at all. No foundations for me, no, not at all. I do have MAC Studio Fix powder, pressed powder, but I hardly use that. Maybe when I do a post or a look. Otherwise I don't like foundations. I don't like foundations. I do have so many L'Oreal, Revlon, CoverGirl, so many, but no foundation for me. Only tinted moisturizer. The best, the favorite, the most is Pond's tinted moisturizer. I have it in number 2. I love this one. And then Chorus. Indian moisturizer in number 2 only, I think. Yeah, it was number 2. Number 2 honey. Yeah. Chorus is good, but as it is not here in India, Pond's is the best. Um, Cute packaging and all. And for my concealer, it is not actually skincare thing, but I use it with my moisturizer whenever I step out. No foundations for me, as I told you. So my concealer, my MAC, because there was nothing MAC here, I thought I'll add one MAC. And yeah, my MAC stroke cream, I do love it, but that is only for party purpose and all. So my daily cleansing is this, my face pack is this, and then my toner is this, and then my cleanser this, and then my exfoliating wash philosophy this, my moisturizer tinted this. That's all. I have so many goodies in my hand. They are all purchased by me, sadly. But yeah, this is my skincare routine, and the best thing I can tell you is I wash my face 10-20 times a day. Whenever I put a face mask, I wash my face. After that, again I wash my face to just make it more hydrated, more, to sink in more moisture. I do wash my face so many times a day. It's not like I always use it with soap or some cleanser. Just that, rush into restroom and then wash and then roam around. That's it. I think this is the best thing you can do to your skin. Wash your face, no cleanser, no soap, and please don't ever use soap. No soap for me. Soapy soap for me. Not even TV soap, and not the bar one, the bar soap. I do like Johnson's Baby. It feels good, but otherwise no soapy soap for me. So that's it. My skincare routine. It's simple. No hussy fussy around. You can try anything. For oily skin, it was the one for oily to combination skin. For dry skin, I'm sorry, I don't have a dry skin, thankfully. So you can just mail me something, whatever you want, and do check my blog at indiabeauty.com. INDYA, indiabeauty.com. Thank you. Bye bye.